Are you trying to get money for your business today? Are you looking to pre-qualify and build business credit? Are you looking to make your business bankable and lendable? Are you just trying to get finances for your business that you need today? Hi, my name is Carlos Estrada, and this is your lucky day. I spent the last 3 years building a step-by-step software, which is a guided system to get your business funded. I call it a 360 Business Vantage because it has all the aspects to get your business funded. And today, I'm giving it out for free. Yes, I said free. I'm giving you free access to the 360 Business Vantage. I'm also giving you a free business success scan that will give you a report of all the compliance items that your business may need to get funded today. So all you need to do is click on the link below. No, we are not lenders, nor are we going to take your information and sell it to a third-party lender, and we are not credit repair companies. We just have the tool that every business owner needs. All you need to do is listen to some of the industry leaders and what they have to say about the 360 Business Vantage. See you inside.
Hi, my name is Omar Perio. 360 Business Vantage, they help thousands of businesses all around the country to become compliant, become bankable, and ultimately receive the most amount of business funding possible. If you own a business or are creating a business, you need to talk to these guys.
360 Business Vantage is definitely a great company you want to get to know. And I was approved within 35 days. I was approved for about $850,000. The process was very smooth, and I would definitely give them a 10 from my experience.
You see who I'm here with, right?
Hey guys, I'm with Carlos over here.
This is the guy that cares more about your success than anyone else on planet, more than your mama cares about you doing well.